Third. Coochie down to the socks like I'm Billy Popper. Keep your girl hit.
Hope you guys enjoy the little ASMR I include at the beginning of my videos. I'm just making my protein iced coffee, which is a staple for me. I wasn't much of a coffee drinker, but now I am because this stuff tastes so good. So yeah, just add protein powder to cold brew that I make at home, and then mix it up, add some ice, and drink it. I wanted to do this because I didn't actually film an intro, so I hope you don't mind me doing a little bit of a voiceover. Now I'm just doing my morning yoga. I honestly feel amazing after doing this, so I hope you enjoy. I would normally film a clip on my computer, but I'm looking real busted right now and I don't want to hurt your eyes. I don't want your eyes to bleed from seeing me, so I'm just going to do this voiceover, and then after this I'm going to do my workout. It was a HIIT workout and it was intense. I snapped on this breakfast. It's so good. Here's a quick clip of me dry scooping. Hope you enjoy my amazing faces as I consume this powder. It's actually really good when I mix it with just water, but dry scooping just makes it hit me a lot faster, so that's why I do it. But yeah, love these faces. Okay, so this lighting is so yellow. So just did my workout. I am going to take a shower because I feel gross. I need my, what do you guys call it? Is it a house coat? Or like, I call it, I don't remember what I call it now. A robe. Yeah, house coat or a robe. I'm gonna take a cold shower because it honestly feels the best after a workout. Also, like when I wake up in the morning, I don't do my full skincare routine because I find that it's a waste to do that, and then I work out and then I have to do it all over again. So I literally just like splash my face with water or wash it, depends on like what I feel like, and then add moisturizer and sunscreen, and then after my workout, that's when I do like my full skincare, and I'll show you my skincare routine after I'm done showering. Yeah, so I use this cleanser, just use a decent amount, just like that much, if you can even see it. And I just use my fingers and like wash my face for 60 seconds.
Step up to the target. If I have one guess, then I guess I'm just new artist. And I would never stop like I'm running from the concert.
Okay, so my face is dry. And then I'm gonna use this essence. It's from Caudalie. It's the Vino Perfect essence. And I just put some in my hand and just like pat it in. And then just let it sit for a bit. Make sure to not get it around my eyes because bad stuff can happen, I guess. So there we go. So I'm gonna go in with this Paula's Choice Vitamin C Serum. I get it on like a subscription, so it comes like every like 3 months or so. Why won't you focus? There we go. And I just put a couple drops in my hand, and I'm running low, so I'm just gonna use a little bit more than that. Ooh. What? Yeah. And then rub it in my hands and then apply it to my face.
Third. Coochie down to the side like I'm Billy Piper. Keep your girl hit.
So that's done. Onto eye cream. And I use another Fresh product. This is the like black tea Age Delay eye cream. So just put a little bit on my ring finger and tap that in. And I heard you're supposed to use your ring finger because it doesn't add or doesn't apply too much pressure to the under eye because the under eyes are really sensitive. For moisturizer, I just use this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I'm like literally out. I have some samples, so I'm not in a rush to place an order. But and then I'm going to put my moisturizer, sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost SPF 50. I love wearing sunscreen every day because first of all, you need to. Second of all, it's supposed to slow down the aging process. It protects your skin from the sun, which is its main purpose. So yeah, don't forget your sunscreen. Even if you're dark skinned, you still need to wear sunscreen. Yeah, this is skincare routine, looking glowy. Feel fresh after that workout, so that's always nice.
I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour out the whole damn seal.
I'll make it late. Here's a little OOTD. It's probably not even that cute. Excuse the mess in the background, but just some shorts and a crop because it's hot outside. So I'm gonna work outside because I want to enjoy this beautiful weather. Okay, sorry about the fan, but it's hot. So I have a Zoom call in like 5 minutes, so it's gonna be fun. It's only for an hour, and then after that I'm going to actually do the studying that I need to do. I have 2 courses that I need to finish because your girl's trying to do some big things in her life. So yeah, I had my afternoon snack because we don't really, I have food, but I'm saving that for dinner. So for my afternoon snack, I had yogurt and granola, and then this big, delicious, I think it was a gala apple. No, it was a gala apple. It was really good. So I can't wait for dinner. Tonight I'm actually gonna try to go to bed at like my normal time because I have a very long day ahead of me tomorrow. I think, yeah, I have a long day ahead of me tomorrow. I don't know if because I'm gonna vlog this weekend because something exciting is happening. But I don't know if I want to start tomorrow because the thing starts tomorrow. We'll see. I don't know, but so far today's been pretty productive. I also want to finish or get like a few pages into the book I've been reading. It's The One Thing. This book. I'm just gonna aim for like 5 pages today. If I can get 10, that would be ideal. And yeah, I posted a progress picture on Instagram. And today, July 22nd, actually marks 100 days since I actually tried to make an actual change in my life in terms of like my fitness journey. And it's crazy to see how much I've changed over the 100 days. The crazy thing is that is that I've actually gone up on the scale, which you wouldn't think by looking at my pictures. Actually, maybe you would, but that's just impressive to me. I need to get off of here and do my Zoom call, but afterwards I will update you and let you know what the rest of the evening is going to look like. It's literally like 5 o'clock. I've been up since 8. I'm gonna try to wake up at like 6 tomorrow so I can go for my walk, because I have another Zoom call. I have 2 Zoom calls tomorrow, so yeah. It is 10 o'clock. Your girl is tired. I just wanted to talk about an idea that I have for a YouTube video that I want to do soon. Basically, I don't know what like came over me today, but I was going through some old pictures, and then I was also going through like my like recent pictures, like progress pictures, and I kind of wanted to do a video talking about my fitness journey, how it started. Was kind of sus, let's just say that. So talk about that and how I've progressed and like gotten to the point where I am today. I know my fitness journey isn't like typical, I don't know. I feel like it's kind of different because I was never overweight ever. So I don't know. I feel like it would be a very interesting video because I do want to do like a part 2 or just like a video based off of that. And I think it would be a really interesting video. So let me know down below if you want to see that video. I'm very tired. I'm sorry if you can hear the fan going. It's really hot. So I'm actually gonna get ready for bed because, like I said, I said 2. Now I have 3 Zoom calls tomorrow, and they're all like back to back. Actually, no, just the last 2 are back to back. So that should be fun. I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.